Hello, welcome back to the video series where we are discussing the textbook Blueprint Reading Construction Drawings for the Building Trades. This video is dedicated to chapter 9, and that is about understanding schedules. So a schedule is applied to construction work in drawings is an organized method of presenting general notes or lists of materials, building components such as doors or windows, equipment, and so forth. And the main purpose of incorporating schedules into a set of construction documents is to provide clarity, location, sizing, materials, and information on the designation of doors, windows, roof finishes, equipment, plumbing, and electrical fixtures. So when properly done, schedules help keep drawings from becoming cluttered with too much printed information or notes and have proven to be great time-saving devices for the person preparing the drawings as well as the architect, engineer, contractor, and workers on the site. This chapter is intended to assist the reader in interpreting tabulated information on blueprint drawings. It should be understood that schedules and specifications give specific details about actual items, while drawings generally show the size and location of the item. And please, I highly recommend, as I do in every video, please back this video up with the textbook because there are so many images that will actually give you clarity and that will help you you understand what actually is meant, because it's always good to see the drawing instead of just hearing about the drawing. So schedules are generally organized in a drawing set such that they are near the discipline to which they are related to. There are several different approaches to setting up a schedule. It may include all or some of the following information about the product: vendor's name, product name, model number, size, quantity, rough opening size, material, and color. Many different items or features may be described in schedules. Some examples are doors, windows, lintels, columns, beams, electrical equipment or fixtures, plumbing and mechanical equipment, room finish information, and appliances. These schedules are essentially tables that list information about specific items. Schedules allow you to quickly refer to a specific item. On large commercial projects, schedule may require several sheets. The exact method of representation depends upon individual company standards. While schedules are usually presented in tabulated form, they're often accompanied by pictorial schedules or other symbols for additional clarity. Door and window schedules. Door schedules are typically meant to indicate the model or mark quantity, size, thickness, type, material, function, frame material, fire rating, and remarks. Sometimes tabulated door and window schedules are accompanied by graphic schedules. Door schedules may include information regarding glazing and louvers if appropriate. Commercial door schedules may also include hardware and door frame data and key codes. In some cases, the designer may include the separate schedule. Door schedules are generally longer and more detailed than window schedules. Doors and door function are usually critical to the success of the building. Doors are in constant use and serve many different functions, including passage, privacy, and security. Window schedules. A window schedule is similar to a door schedule in that it provides an organized presentation of the perimeter window characteristics. Window schedules include quantity, type, model, manufacturer, size, rough opening, materials, glazing, and finish. There are also usually columns for remarks or notes. Also, like door schedules, tabulated schedules cannot always clearly define a specific window. In this case, you can also add a schedule to the schedule a callout with a pictorial drawing of a window adjacent to the window schedule. The next one is finish schedule. A finish schedule specifies the interior finish materials for each room, space, and floor in the building. The finish schedule provides information for the walls, floors, ceilings, baseboards, doors, and window trim. Finish schedules can vary in both format and complexity. A single-family home will generally consist of a limited number of finishes. Commercial buildings, on the other hand, may consist of a larger number of wall and floor finishes. HVAC schedules. There are many different types of HVAC schedules, which may include air handling units, fan coil units, chiller schedules, etc. These are prepared by the mechanical consultant. HVAC systems are typically either self-contained package units or central systems. Package units include rooftop systems, air-to-air heat pumps, and air conditioning units for rooms. Central systems usually consist of a combination of central supply subsystem and multiple end-use zone systems. Grill or diffuser schedules. Grill and diffuser schedules generally show the manufacturer and the catalog or model number for each grill and diffuser. They also show the dimensions of each, as well as the volume of air in cubic feet per minute, or CFM, that each will handle, the quantity required, and the location for installation. A column for notes, remarks is typically included to facilitate the installation of the item. Light and fixture and electrical schedules. Light and fixture schedules are generally used to list the fixture types and identify each fixture type on the drawing of a given project by number. The manufacturer and identification number of each type are given along with the number, size, and type of the lamps for each. One can include a mounting column to indicate whether the fixture is wall-mounted, surface-mounted, on the ceiling, or recessed. Excuse me. Alternatively, this information can be included in the remarks column. Electrical notes normally contained on each sheet as required and are relevant to that particular sheet only. They're also used to give specific location and direction regarding electrical issues. Panel board schedules. Panel board schedules are generally found on electrical drawings and are used mainly to indicate relevant information on the surface panel boards within the building. A panel board schedule should provide sufficient data to identify the panel number, as indicated on the drawings, and the type of cabinet, whether surface mounted or flush. It should also provide relevant data regarding the panel, main bus bars, and circuit breakers, as well as the number and type of circuit breakers contained in the panel board and the components fed by each. Miscellaneous schedules and notes. Other types of schedules used depend on office procedure and the type of project in hand. Material schedules are used usually to list the approximate quantities of materials needed to complete the project. These schedules are often used for estimating small construction projects such as residential buildings and should not be taken to reflect the exact amount of materials needed. Appliance and plumbing fixture schedules are similar to other types of schedules. For example, the appliance schedule would list each appliance from top to bottom in the first column. If plumbing fixture schedules or appliance schedules are not used in the project for fixture types, manufacturers, catalog numbers, and other information needed must be included in the project specifications. And usually the specifications will consist information found in the schedules. Examples of information usually found in the specifications include the window manufacturer, the type and manufacturer of door hardware, and the type and manufacturer of paint for the trim. And this concludes our chapter 9, and I look forward to seeing you in chapter 10, and that is going to be about the specifications. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.